Last month, my old microwave exploded a bowl of oatmeal, leaving a crusty, radioactive-looking mess that permanently stained the interior. That disaster sent me down a rabbit hole of spec sheets and fake reviews trying to find a replacement. It's overwhelming. Do you actually need convection, or is a cheap box fine? After stress testing dozens of models with everything from frozen burritos to delicate sauces, I've ranked the top 7 countertop microwaves. Stick around because the number 1 spot completely changed how I cook, and it might just replace your oven entirely. 7. BLACK+DECKER M720CB7. When I unboxed this unit, its compact footprint immediately stood out. It is a 0.7 cubic foot microwave boasting 700 watts of power, which makes it incredibly appealing for dorm rooms, tiny studio apartments, or crowded office break rooms where real estate is precious. The stainless steel aesthetic gives it a modern, clean look that blends surprisingly well with higher-end appliances, and the push-button door release feels satisfyingly tactile every time you pop it open. During my testing, I put its pre-programmed buttons through the ringer. It features 6 express cooking functions, including popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate. When I tried the beverage setting for my morning coffee, it did a decent job of bringing room temperature water to a piping hot state with one touch. The turntable is 10 inches in diameter, which accommodates standard dinner plates just fine, and the LED display is bright and easy to read from across the kitchen. However, living with the EM720CB7 revealed some significant compromises that are hard to ignore. The 700-watt power output is noticeably weak compared to the rest of the lineup. I found myself constantly having to add an extra 30 to 40 seconds to standard cooking times on packaged meals. Trying to defrost a thick chicken breast was an exercise in frustration. It took far too long and often ended up cooking the edges of the meat before the center was even fully thawed. Furthermore, the glass turntable has a nasty habit of rattling loudly when it rotates, creating a jarring, unrefined noise that echoes through the room. Ultimately, this BLACK+DECKER model is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. It is an ultra-budget, space-saving option that handles basic reheating tasks reasonably well if you have the patience to wait a little longer for your food. 6. Sharp Countertop Microwave Oven. This model steps up to a 1.1 cubic foot capacity and delivers a much more respectable 1,000 watts of cooking power. On paper, it looks like the perfect middle ground for a standard kitchen, offering enough space to fit larger casserole dishes without entirely monopolizing your counter space. The sleek finish is attractive right out of the box, though I quickly noticed it is highly prone to showing every single fingerprint and smudge from daily use. One of the biggest selling points Sharp pushes with this model is the official Orville Redenbacher popcorn preset. I am a massive popcorn enthusiast, so I was genuinely excited to test this specific feature. I have to admit, it works surprisingly well. A standard bag popped almost perfectly with minimal unpopped kernels and zero burning. The microwave also features convenient one-touch express cooking from 1 to 6 minutes, and a plus 30 seconds key that I use constantly for quick reheating tasks. Despite these neat additions, my testing experience was heavily bogged down by the appliance's inconsistent heating performance. When I attempted to heat up a dense bowl of leftover lasagna, I discovered extreme hot and cold spots throughout the dish. The edges of the pasta were practically molten, while the very center remained stubbornly frigid. This forced me to stop, stir, and restart the microwave multiple times, completely defeating the purpose of a quick convenience appliance. Additionally, the keypad requires a surprisingly forceful push to register inputs, which makes the whole unit slide backward on a smooth countertop unless you physically brace it with your other hand. 5. GE 0.9 CU Foot Capacity Smart Countertop Microwave Oven. GE has attempted to drag the humble microwave into the modern era by integrating Wi-Fi connectivity and smart home compatibility. Aesthetically, it is a sleek, modern-looking appliance with a minimalist control panel that looks fantastic in a contemporary kitchen setting. At 0.9 cubic feet, it sits right in the sweet spot for medium-sized households looking for a balance between capacity and counter space. The standout feature I spent the most time testing is GE's Scan-to-Cook technology. By downloading the GE Appliances Kitchen app, you can actually scan the barcode of various frozen foods and microwavable meals with your smartphone. The app automatically sends the exact recommended cooking instructions directly to the microwave. I tested this with several popular brands of frozen mac and cheese and breakfast burritos, and the convenience is undeniably cool. It completely eliminates the guesswork and the need to decipher tiny font instructions on the back of a cardboard box. Beyond the scanning feature, the voice control integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant proved to be far more than just a party trick. When my hands were covered in raw chicken or flour, being able to simply shout across the room to add a minute to the microwave was incredibly helpful. The 900 watts of power provided consistent, even heating during my tests. Defrosting ground beef was remarkably smooth, avoiding the gray, partially cooked edges I experienced with the lower-ranked models on this list. While the smart features are genuinely useful, they do require a strong Wi-Fi connection and a bit of patience during the initial setup process. Four, Toshiba M131A5CBS. Unlike the GE, Toshiba isn't trying to reinvent the wheel with Wi-Fi or smartphone apps. Instead, they focused entirely on perfecting the core microwave experience. This unit boasts a spacious 1.2 cubic foot interior and 1,100 watts of raw power, wrapped in a beautiful black stainless steel exterior that elegantly resists fingerprints. It feels incredibly sturdy and well-built from the moment you grip the handle and pull open the door. The true star of the show with this Toshiba is the built-in smart sensor technology. This internal sensor constantly detects the humidity level of the food as it cooks, automatically adjusting both the time and the power level to ensure optimal results. I tested this extensively with baked potatoes and a large bowl of dense broccoli florets. The results were consistently fantastic. The vegetables came out perfectly tender without turning into mush, and the potatoes were cooked evenly all the way through without their skins drying out and turning into leather. Another feature that heavily impressed me was the custom defrost function. You can input the exact weight of the item you're trying to thaw, and the microwave calculates the precise optimal cycle to bring it to a safe temperature. Thawing a 1-pound block of ground turkey was flawless. It came out pliable and ready to cook without a single hot spot. Furthermore, Toshiba coated the interior cavity with a special easy-to-clean enamel. When I deliberately let tomato sauce splatter and bake onto the walls, a simple wipe with a damp paper towel was all it took to remove the mess, requiring absolutely no aggressive scrubbing. 3. LG 2.0 CU FT Countertop Microwave Oven. This thing is an absolute beast in terms of size and raw power. With a massive 2.0 cubic foot interior and a staggering 1,200 watts of cooking capability, this microwave is designed to handle family-sized meals and large catering platters with effortless ease. The minimalist design is striking, featuring a sleek, continuous glass front panel with smooth touch controls cleverly hidden on the right side of the door. What makes this LG truly exceptional is its smart inverter technology. Traditional microwaves pulse their power on and off to simulate lower heat settings, which often leads to uneven cooking. The LG's inverter delivers a continuous, precise stream of power at varying levels. To test this, I attempted to melt premium baking chocolate, a notoriously finicky task in a standard microwave. Set to a low power level, the chocolate melted smoothly and evenly into a glossy pool, with absolutely zero scorching or seizing. The precision is genuinely on par with using a stovetop double boiler. LG also solved a problem I didn't even realize I hated: the unstable turntable. Instead of a standard 3-wheel roller ring, this model uses a hexagonal ring with 6 support points. While I placed a heavy, off-center rectangular casserole dish inside, The turntable rotated smoothly without any of the tilting, jerking, or spilling you usually get in standard microwaves. Like the Toshiba, LG includes an antibacterial easy clean coating on the inside, making cleanup an absolute breeze even after explosive food mishaps. The only real consideration here is the massive footprint. You need a significant amount of deep counter space to comfortably accommodate this unit. 2. Breville BMO650SIL. Breville has a fierce reputation for engineering appliances that feel like luxury kitchen tools, and this microwave absolutely honors that legacy. It is a 1.2 cubic foot unit finished in gorgeous brushed stainless steel. Instead of a messy keypad covered in dozens of confusing buttons, Breville utilizes a clean, intuitive dial control system alongside an easy-to-read LCD screen. It is easily the most visually appealing and sophisticated appliance on this entire list. One of my absolute favorite features of the Breville is something so simple yet so profoundly appreciated: the soft closed door. We have all experienced the loud, metallic slam of a standard microwave door that wakes up the entire house. The Breville's door shuts with a gentle, whisper-quiet click that feels incredibly premium. Combined with a dedicated mute button that kills all the annoying beeps and chimes, this is the ultimate late-night snack machine. You can heat up midnight leftovers in complete, stealthy silence. Performance-wise, the Breville utilizes Sensor IQ technology that actively calculates and adjusts cooking times based on steam release. I utilize the intuitive dial to navigate through the dedicated food menu, testing the reheat, defrost, and cook settings. When reheating a dense, multi-component plate of Thanksgiving leftovers, the microwave perfectly balanced the temperature. The turkey stayed moist, the mashed potatoes were piping hot, and the stuffing didn't dry out. The dial interface makes adjusting time on the fly incredibly natural. A quick spin adds or subtracts seconds effortlessly without needing to cancel and restart the whole process. The Breville BMO650SIL is a triumph of user interface and premium aesthetic design. It feels incredible to use, operates in brilliant silence, and cooks with high-end precision. 1. Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. Calling this machine a microwave almost feels like an insult because it is essentially an entire secondary kitchen packed into a 1.2 cubic foot stainless steel box. It functions flawlessly as a 1,000-watt inverter microwave, a dedicated broiler, a high-performance air fryer, and a full convection oven. From the moment I began testing this unit, it fundamentally changed how I approached quick meals and daily food prep. The air frying and broiling capabilities are nothing short of phenomenal. Typically, microwaving anything breaded results in a soggy, depressing mess. I placed frozen chicken wings and French fries inside, using the provided wire rack, and activated the air fry mode. The Flash Express broiler kicks in instantly, surrounding the food with intense, circulated heat. The wings emerged aggressively crispy on the outside, while remaining incredibly juicy on the inside, easily rivaling standalone premium air fryers I have tested. The ability to microwave the inside of a dish to temperature and instantly switch to the broiler to crisp the top cheese on a French onion soup is a culinary revelation. I also put the convection oven feature to the test by baking a batch of chocolate chip cookies directly inside the microwave. Because it circulates ambient heat up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The cookies baked perfectly evenly, with gorgeous golden brown edges and soft centers. The Panasonic utilizes the same fantastic inverter technology as the LG, meaning that when you do use it strictly as a microwave, the power delivery is flawlessly smooth. Thawing delicate meats and reheating sensitive cream sauces happens gently and precisely without breaking the ingredients. Ultra. That's all for today.